We're looking at a scarce, late 19th century, large folding pocket map of South America. It's issued by Rand McNally. Many Rand McNally maps are fairly common, but the large folding pocket maps are much less so, and especially ones in the cloth folders like this one is. As you can see, it's very fresh and clean and sound. There are numerous closed small little intersection fold line splits that are invisible when you view the map from the front. But you see here that the map is printed on a bond paper, which is a little bit age fragile and folds up readily like so. And then this folds up here like so. This, and it's currently available now on my website, briandimambro.com.